I was editing a video earlier and I heard a big loud freaking sound, and it was this shelf, which is my brother's like alcohol shelf. It fell, obviously. The alcohol is fine. He lost a box of his utensils, but yeah. And now I'm gonna go home and charge my phone and figure my night out. And yeah, see you later. Okay, sorry if I look like a nun or something, but whatever. Okay, so I got this Hershey's Kisses lip balm at Giant Eagle yesterday, and I swear to God, it smells super fucking good. I'm gonna compare the smell of the lip balm to the Fenty Glow gloss bomb. Because ever since I started using this gloss bomb, I've thought to myself, this smells like strawberry lip smackers. So I want to, and this smells really exactly like it. So I'm gonna open both of these up. Open them up. It's really hard to do this with my stuff in my hands, but okay. This smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, and then I have the tiny little mini one. It doesn't smell as sweet, but it does smell similar. I think they have similar smells. It's just not as sweet as the lip balm. But I'm glad that I tested that. So yeah, I love this lip gloss. I'm probably gonna buy a full size of this in the near future because I love it so much. And I kind of want to try Fussy, but I'm on the fence. We'll see if I like it. But yeah, so I got one of these mystery things. It's a horror properties one. So let's see which one I got. I can either get Annabelle, Georgie, Pennywise, Jason, Freddy, Jack, Beetlejuice, Regan from The Exorcist. So let's see what we got, shall we? Let's see who we got. You guys are seeing it before I am. Oh wait. I think it's Freddy. Yeah, it's Freddy. Which kind of sucks. I was hoping for Jason, but Freddy's not bad. I don't hate Freddy. It's kind of ironic that I got Freddy though, because he's the kind of horror villain that I should like, because I'm a big fan of psychology and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, like, I don't love him because of that. Like, I love Jason because he's just like the classic slasher. I love that. So this is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad about it. I do like Freddy. I just don't like him as much as Jason, but you know, it's cute. I like that it's a keychain. I love that about it. You guys can't probably see, but it's snowing outside. It's starting. The winter storm has begun. It's supposed to be like this all day. All flippin' day. I feel like I should go outside and show you guys, but I don't want to do that, so yeah, you're gonna have to just trust me that it's coming down pretty swiftly. I wouldn't say it's like a whiteout, but it'll probably white out later, but yeah, I wouldn't say it's a whiteout, that's for sure, but it's definitely coming down. My dad said earlier that he was driving and he saw a car like slide because he hit his brakes too hard, and then he saw a car like slide into a literal what is it called? Telephone pole. So yeah, but yeah, it's coming down. Like I'm wearing the same thing as the last clip, it's because it's the next day and we had a snowstorm, and I'm going to show you guys how much more snow we have, which I'm hoping it'll be like a dramatic change, but who knows. Winter Wonderland, as you can tell. It's like the day after tomorrow, kind of. It doesn't look like that much snow. I mean, it does, but then it doesn't at the same time, if that makes any sense. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a path. Okay, it is pretty deep actually. I haven't been out of the house in like over 24 hours, so that's another reason why I'm doing this. Because we've been inside like all day. Well, because we got a snowstorm, obviously, since I'm in ankle deep snow. Pretty cold out here. I mean, it's not like frigid, but this is really good sledding weather. I really want to go sled riding, but I'm probably going to spend the night at my brother's tonight because it's supposed to be really cold tonight, and it's like 17 degrees right now, so yeah. And when it gets really cold, I usually stay the night at my brother's. I'm so tempted to like, I don't know, like, I'm tempted to like throw some snowballs or something. Like a snowman or something, I don't know. But yeah, I don't really have any plans today other than drinking wine and show you the pretty trees. The trees, man. And the bird that is being very loud. Right there, if you can, you can't see it, but I don't feel like zooming in. I love the way trees look with snow on them. It's like art, because like the contrast between the white of the snow and the green and brown of the tree, it's just gorgeous. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I should clean off my car. A ton of snow. I'm probably not gonna clean anything off though, to be honest, but yeah, there's my car, covered in snow. Of course. LOL. It's like a big, it's like a layer of frosting on my car. Wish it was frosting there, that'd be awesome. Winter is here, man. It wasn't here before, it is now. No, I'm just mostly doing this because I want to get the windshield wipers up like that. Okay, I'll try the other one. Fuck me. Yes, I know I should be using a tool to do this, but I don't have my keys with me and my car is probably locked. Oh shit. Okay, this is a lot of snow over here. Holy shit. Okay. So, shit. I really need some new boots. I have Uggs on, but, you know, fuck. So much snow. This whole vlog is just gonna be me complaining about snow. Okay. Just a little bit more snow and I can go inside. I started watching Dark last night on Netflix. It's really good, actually. It's a little different because it's a European show and European actors. I feel like when I say European, it doesn't sound right, but okay, there we go. Just got this snowplow in my brother's driveway. Looks pretty good overall for the boatload of money that he paid. It's cold. It's very cold. Very, 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 very cold. See some people on the hill back there. Hey guys, so it is okay. Wait. It is -2 degrees outside. The wind chill warning until Thursday at 4 p.m. It's gonna be even colder probably tomorrow. It's really cold. So yeah, I just felt like I'm at my brother's because I spent the night last night because of this really frigid weather, and I felt like vlogging. There's some stuff going on right now in my life, but I don't really feel like talking about it, to be honest, because it's not exactly fun. But yeah, it's really cold. I went outside earlier to breakfast with my dad, but other than that, I haven't done anything else. Well, I have done other things today, but just not like outside. But if it wasn't like the tundra outside, I would go outside and sled ride or something. But I've just been watching makeup videos, to be honest, and oh yeah, I don't know. It's been a interesting week so far, and I just felt like kind of finishing up my, I wanted to finish up that vlog that I did. This is like my continuation of my snowstorm vlog, if you are interested in that. Okay, this is gonna sound really stupid and crazy, but like, I feel like I have this dream of being a successful YouTuber, and sometimes I even get this thought in my head like, oh, I should be a full-time YouTuber. Granted, I only have 120 subscribers, so I'm nowhere close to being at that point, obviously, but I don't know, like, I mean, like, my dream goal would be 100,000 subscribers, but my life goal is 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions for me, like if you guys are YouTubers yourselves, or you guys watch YouTubers and they've like, I mean, I know that the basic principle of being a successful YouTuber is consistency, quality, good editing, and just having videos that either, you know, you'd want to watch yourself or that other people would want to watch also. But I don't know. I had a really rough day yesterday for multiple reasons, and if you guys want me to hear about that, maybe I'll make a separate video about that, but I don't feel like talking about it really. But it yesterday reminded me that I feel like throughout my life, my level of success has always been just like to kind of just like survive and have decent jobs. And I feel like with the news that I got last night, I feel like it's reminded me that I want to be successful, and this is just another block. This is just a roadblock in my way, and I know I can get through it, and my brother's gonna help me get through it, and my dad, of course. And you know, it's hard when you feel so close to what you want to do with your life, and then yet again, like, something just gets in your way. Like, I literally cried yesterday, like, multiple times because of the news that I got yesterday, and it just, I know that it's, like I said, it's a roadblock, and I know that I can get through this, and I know that it's just what, you know, it's, after the fact, I know that, you know, it could be worse, life could be worse. I'm pretty lucky to have the things and the people that are in my life, and it's just another, like, it's just like Ariana's speech. Ariana Grande, she did a speech at an award show last year, and she said that 2018 was like a great year for her career, and it was a not so great year for her personal life. And Raw Beauty Kristi, she agreed with that, and I would say it's kind of the opposite for me right now. Like, I feel like my career is like, as usual, like, it's just wishy-washy, up in the air, really frustrating bullshit. And my personal life is not bad. And if you guys are wondering why my personal life is not that bad, watch my last video. So yeah, it's just a lot of frustration, and I just want something to, I just need a win. I need a win right now, you know what I mean? Like, I need something to just get me out of this funk, and I feel like I've had a lot of funk ever since I quit my last job and stuff, and then I graduated, and I was like on a high, and now I'm just like, you know, I don't know. So, but I'll get through it. We'll get through this together. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are dealing with anything in your lives that is just, it's tough, man. And I want us to have a relationship. I feel like sometimes my videos don't allow for a lot of relationship, but I think that's probably because I have so little amount of subscribers. But I want to hear from you guys more. Like, I want you guys to, like, tell me, like, how you're doing, and if you guys are going through similar situations. I mean, I feel like that's part of why we do YouTube and why we're YouTubers, because we want to connect with other people who we wouldn't normally connect with. So, but this is like, this is going on longer than I wanted to, but I timed this one time, and it lasted like 3 minutes or something like that. I think it was 3 minutes, which is crazy. I don't know if it's gonna last 3 minutes now, but maybe it will, I don't know. Yeah, some more. Oh, and if you guys have any suggestions of how I can improve my audio, because because I have a Canon G7X Mark II, but like, there isn't a way for me to connect a microphone to this camera, And because of that, I just don't really know what to do with the audio. And I really want to be able to like do more audio and maybe try ASMR, which I don't really understand ASMR. Can you guys explain that to me? Because I don't understand it. I don't understand how somebody eating is relaxing to somebody. Like, I get watching those videos that are like, you know, birds or water and, you know, like, because I mean, they have machines that do those kind of noises. But I don't understand how literally like me like making noises, like how, I don't know, I don't understand it. Okay, so I will see you guys later, and we just gotta be strong. We gotta be the badass bitches we know we are. Bye.